Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna do a twerk choreo which you can use in the dance club, at home, on any song. We are just gonna learn some steps, put them together. I saw you enjoy the previous one I had posted 9 months ago, so here I am after almost 1 year making another one for you. We are gonna do a very fast warm-up. If you need to stretch for longer, just check my other videos, stretching videos I have on my page. Let's go. Squat. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and twerk. Shake it. My hips are hurting from yesterday's workout. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and shake it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Jumping jacks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again. Turn around. 7, 8, jiggle it, combine the workout with the twerk out. Forward, hands in the back, spit it up, and breathe. Okay, last one to warm up. Lift your knees. I think my neighbors are enjoying my workout. Okay, let's tick-tock. Side to side, tick-tock. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Well, not actually relax, drink some water, and let's do our choreo. So we are gonna start with wave with my shoulder, with my chest at the same time, following the shoulder. So the shoulder is indicating where the energy is going. So I'm gonna do 1 and 2, down, sitting on my heel with my bum on the left cheek, lifted heel, because otherwise I'll be doing this, and this is sumo squat, which I don't want to see in dancing. We want to have our back straight, chest open, looking forward, so we can do pa pa, 2 pops, and then I'm gonna move to the center, and I'm gonna do pa pa, another 2 pops, and I'm gonna move to the right side, pa pa, and another pop. I'm gonna show you from the back. So I'm here on my left leg, pop pop, going to the center, pop pop, going to the right, pop pop. Here in the center it's optional. I know it's not easy to twerk in the center, okay, because this one is more intermediate level, I would say. You have to have a certain level of flexibility and also of technique to be able to twerk in this position. Open. I don't mean this one on tippy toes, okay? No, I mean this one here, when you are having this distance between your heels, here. So we do 1, 2, you can skip this one, 1, 2. Ooh, legs are hurting. Okay, let's go. We do again. Wave, and down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your left leg in the center. So now we are on tippy toes, chest open, back straight. And we are gonna go with the hands. In, out, in, and up. Okay, so it's like this. In, out, in, and up. And I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Showing you from the back. 1 and 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if you want to learn how to do the technique itself, the steps, what I'm doing here, just join my online program, the Pelvic Code for Women, because that's where I have the technique explained. Here I'm giving you the steps, there I'm explaining the steps, how to do everything, what to move and when to move it. I have a lot of info about feminine ancient wisdom, sensual moves, sexuality, erotism, everything in one course. Just check the link in my description to find more details. Now let's do from the top. 1, 2, pop, 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 pop. Leg in the center, hand, hand, circle, 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 circle. And from here I'm jumping up. Okay, ready? Jump. It's gonna be faster. I just jumped in slow motion, let's say. And I'm gonna caress my booty. Shoulders should not be forward, shoulders back. Going down and coming up. Cool. This is a jiggle. So I'm caressing while I'm jiggling. Going down and coming up. And now I'm gonna do hand hand while I'm doing the tic-tac. This is another move I'm teaching in the course, tic-tac. Okay? Tiki-taka, not tic-tac, I call it tic-tac, but some people, they call it tic-tac. From here, I'm gonna do pop, drop, pop, pop, drop, drop. Up, down, up, down, down. Up, down, down, down. Again, up, down, down, down. Let's do it together. Up, down, down, down. Again, up, down, down, down. Now this one you can make it slower or faster depending on the song. So take a video of yourself doing this choreo, put it on TikTok and see what suggestion comes up with this choreo, because I just created it on the spot. Right now I just press record and let's see what comes up. So from here, up, down, 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 and we finish with 4 circles. 3, 4. Slow or fast, depending on the song. Let's try to do this choreo slower, together from the top, and then faster, together from the top, and we finish it here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leg in, hand, hand, circle, 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 jump. Caress and jiggle and come up, hand, hand. And we go up, down, down, down. Shoulders back, head forward, not here. And we do circle, 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 circle. Whew. Let's do it faster. Inhale, exhale. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, hey, hey. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, hey. Up, down, down. Circle, 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 circle. Ooh. Okay. Let me know if you were able to keep up with this choreo. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you'd like to see some more. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been a long time I haven't done it. And since I'm recording now for my online program, I said, let me just pass by YouTube and do something for my community in case they think I forgot about them. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.